Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thank you for taking a little bit of time out of your day to share it with us. So the entire Happy Crew is here. This is Wyatt, I'm Laura, and Zena's here on my right, which we're going to try not to spook her, and I'll have her say hi at the end or catch her before she decides to make a break, which is her normal MO. I got a big wet kiss right here from Wyatt, which I appreciate. Thank you, Wyatt, for all the kisses. Okay, so we're excited because we have an unboxing for you, which always makes us happy. It's always the bright spot to my day whenever I can bring you guys a new unboxing. My Rocksbox is here. I can hold it up. My Rocksbox is here. And if you're not familiar with Rocksbox, it is a jewelry subscription, but it's a jewelry rental subscription, which means that you pay $21 a month to be able to receive 3 pieces of jewelry to wear for as long as you want. Zena's waking up. Do you want to say hi to everybody? There you are. Yes. You get to wear it for as long as you want. If you don't like the pieces, you send them back. You can send them back right away within a week, and they'll send you 3 more pieces. If you decide you like an item, the $21 that you paid in that month can be applied towards an item. If you do not buy an item in that month, you will lose that $21. Let's say you liked all 3 pieces in the set that you got. You could buy all 3 pieces and your $21 would get applied towards that set. Plus you would get an additional $10 off for buying all 3 pieces. But you could also choose to buy 1 piece in that month and then wait till your next $21 got applied and buy the next piece, and then wait till your next month $21 got applied and buy the 3rd piece. So you could drag it out that long if you wanted to. And in that 3rd month, when the $21 got applied and you bought that 3rd piece, it does recognize that you bought all 3 pieces and applies the $10 at that point. I hope that makes sense. Okay. So let's dig into my set. You leaving, Z? She's leaving. Here's the pretty new boxes they're using. And you keep everything. So you keep the bag that it came in, because if you're going to return anything, you put it right back in your box that you got and back in that bag, and they give you a label. That should be here in my pretty little bundle. Here's my little bundle. And here's a little label you put back on that bag to return anything you don't want to keep. All right, you get a little pamphlet here that tells you all about the pieces that you received. And they're telling me on this little label here, it says, introducing Rockstar Rewards, our new member rewards program. So they obviously have a new program. I'll have to see what that's all about. All your pieces also come in little dust bags. All right. First up, okay, so every month when you send back a set, and you can do it more frequently than once a month. So if you decide to buy everything, you would immediately within a day get a new set to preview. If you decided to wait 3 months because you want to buy each piece, as soon as you checked out, you would get your new set to preview within a day. Once you send everything back, as soon as the post office registers the barcode on your package, they know it's on its way back, and again within a day you'll get a new set to preview. If you preview your set, you can swap out pieces if you don't like them. I forgot to preview my set this time. So somehow I missed my 24 window to preview. I haven't seen these pieces this time. So let's do it. First up is by Dusk. Oh, and this is pretty. This is a necklace. Check out that. Love the little green coloring in that. That is so pretty. This is a jewelry rental subscription, so some of these pieces could have been worn before. If they were, once they come back, they do go through a thorough cleansing process before they get sent back out. This is beautiful. Love this. You can create a wish list on their site, and they will try to send you pieces from your wish list when they become available, or if they're available. So I do try to always put items on my wish list. Sometimes they'll give you extra credit for putting items on your wish list. They'll say, like, as soon as you put your first, 25 items on your wish list, then they'll give you like $5 worth of credit towards picking a piece. All right. Oh, and this is, I see, so my little chain, it's movable. You can move this little hook wherever you want it on your chain to make it as long or short. I didn't get it at first, but you see how that is movable on the chain to wherever you want your hook to be to make it longer or shorter on your neck. That is so awesome. I was confused at first. Okay, let's put this on and see what it looks like. And I have something on that is very colorful today. So hopefully that doesn't detract. Look how pretty that is. I love the pretty stones. What do you guys think of that? I like it. I think it's very delicate, very pretty. I'll make sure I get it on straight for you guys so you can see it. I think that's gorgeous, and I love that you can adjust wherever you want this to be. You can make it longer or shorter. I think that is so cool. I don't think I've seen it, an adjuster like that before. Not in that way, anyway. Yeah, and there's just the 3 stones. That's pretty. All right, what does it say about it? So this is the Dusk Gemma Choker in gold. Luckily, it's not like choker, since I wouldn't like that. And the retail price is $70 and the member price is $59. So pretty. All right, more pieces. This one's in a Rocksbox bag. Oh, and it's a ring. See, this one is by Aster and it's called the Bay Ring. Wait till you guys see this one. I don't think I had it on my wish list. Look at that pretty detail. I like it. It's very pretty. And the retail price of it is $65. The member price is $55. And I got one more item to share. Earrings. Okay, these are different. These are also by Aster. They are called the Wren Hoop in Gold, which I can't even get into these. Okay. The Wren Hoop in Gold. Retail price is $45. The member price is $38. And check these out. They're thicker. Those are cute, huh? They have like a hammered look to them. Very cute. All right, let's do this. Got a complete gold set, so I guess they're at least trying to potentially give me a full set to wear together. All 3 pieces retail are $180, and then you get a member discount of $28. And if you buy all 3, you would get $10 off of that. What do you guys think of those? They're kind of cute, huh? You don't really notice. I think only from the side would you notice like really how thick they are. They're very lightweight, so they're not heavy at all. I think they're very pretty. Kind of plain, but pretty. All right, so there's all 3 pieces. I love the colors in this necklace. And I think the ring is really pretty too. That's everything. All right, guys, what did you think of this? I do enjoy getting the Rocksbox pieces because I love being able to try new pieces out before I decide if I want to invest in buying them or not. And sometimes I will put some very unique pieces on my wish list just to give them a try. So this is fun. As I said, it's $21 a month. And it does go towards anything you keep if you decide to keep anything for that month. But if you don't use it, you do lose it. So keep that in mind. I will put my link to Rocksbox down below in case you want to give this service a try. If you use my link, your first month's $21 will be waived. So you get a free month to give it a try. All right, guys, I'll list all of these pieces down below in case you want to add any of them to your wish list. And I so appreciate you spending a little bit of your day with me today. Thanks so much. I'd love it if you hit that like button. I'd love if you hang out for the long haul, hit that subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everybody. Bye-bye.